Hello tech enthusiasts, we all know the role technology plays in modern warfare. Technology equals power, and that's why the race to develop modern robots with military capabilities is heating up like never before. Here are 10 military robots with extraordinary capabilities. I know this looks like something out of the Terminator, but it's not. This is FEDOR, a Russian humanoid robot with immense military capabilities. He can shoot a gun, do push-ups, drive a car, and has even gone on space missions. Conceived by the Russian Foundation for Advanced Research Projects (FBI), FEDOR made its debut in 2016. The project's aimed at developing a versatile humanoid robot capable of tackling a myriad of tasks, from space missions to combat scenarios. Also known as SkyBot F850, this multifunctional humanoid robot was designed to emulate human movements and interact with its surroundings. Its creation marked Russia's ambition to incorporate advanced robotic technology into various domains, showcasing the potential for human-robot collaboration. FEDOR's anthropomorphic design and advanced capabilities make it suitable for a variety of combat operations. FEDOR was initially designed to assist cosmonauts in space missions. Its ability to handle tools, perform complex tasks, and adapt to a microgravity environment makes it a valuable asset for extraterrestrial endeavors. This robot replicates the movements of a remote operator and can also perform some actions autonomously. GuardBot. The development of GuardBot began in the early 2000s, and it has since evolved into a unique and innovative robotic platform. GuardBot's distinctive design features a spherical shape, allowing it to move smoothly on various terrains, including land and water. The spherical design enhances its mobility and adaptability to various environments, making it well suited for surveillance and security operations. GuardBot is equipped with cameras and sensors, making it an ideal platform for surveillance and reconnaissance in military operations. Its ability to traverse challenging terrains, including urban areas and bodies of water, enhances its effectiveness in gathering critical intelligence. This robot is capable of autonomous operation, reducing the need for constant human control. It can navigate predefined routes, perform surveillance tasks, and adapt to changing conditions. GuardBot is well suited for border patrol missions, where it can navigate along borders and monitor areas for any signs of intrusion. It can also come in handy during search and rescue operations. PD-100 Black Hornet. The PD-100 Black Hornet is a small unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) developed by the Norwegian company Prox Dynamics, which is now part of FEDOR systems. The PD-100 Black Hornet is known for its compact size and lightweight design, making it suitable for reconnaissance and surveillance in various military and security operations. This robot is incredibly small and lightweight, resembling a miniature helicopter. Its compact design allows for easy portability and deployments. One of its notable features is its quiet operation, making it suitable for discreet reconnaissance missions. The low noise profile minimizes the risks of detection during surveillance. The UAV is equipped with a small camera that provides real-time video and photo reconnaissance. This capability allows military personnel to gather valuable intelligence without exposing themselves to potential risks. The PD-100 Black Hornet is typically hand-launched, offering a quick and simple deployment process. This makes it well suited for situations where rapid aerial reconnaissance is required. While it has a limited range compared to larger UAVs, the PD-100 Black Hornet is designed for short-range reconnaissance missions, providing a close and detailed view of the operational area. In addition to military and security applications, the PD-100 Black Hornet has potential use in search and rescue operations, where its compact size allows for maneuvering in confined spaces to locate individuals in need of assistance. The PD-100 Black Hornet offers a valuable tool for gathering intelligence in situations where larger drones may be impractical or conspicuous. Milrem THeMIS. Milrem THeMIS is an unmanned ground vehicle that stands as a versatile and robust solution for a range of military tasks. Hailing from Estonia, Milrem THeMIS emerged on the scene as a product of Milrem Robotics, a pioneering company specializing in the development of unmanned ground vehicles. The journey began in the early 2010s, with the first iteration of THeMIS rolling out in 2015. Its creation was driven by the vision to provide armed forces with a versatile unmanned ground vehicle capable of performing a myriad of tasks, from reconnaissance to transport and support operations. THeMIS is equipped with advanced sensors and camera systems, making it an ideal platform for reconnaissance missions. Its unmanned nature allows it to gather critical intelligence in areas that might be too risky for human presence. With its robust chassis and modular design, THeMIS can be configured to transport equipment, supplies, and even wounded soldiers. THeMIS can be outfitted with various payloads to support military operations. This includes providing fire support with remotely operated weaponry or acting as a communication relay point, enhancing connectivity on the battlefield. While capable of remote control, THeMIS can operate autonomously using advanced navigation systems, enabling it to execute predefined tasks with precision. Atlas. Be the marvel of modern technology, the incredible Atlas. Boston Dynamics created Atlas with funding and oversight from the US Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, DARPA. Atlas was initially designed for a variety of search and rescue tasks and was unveiled to the public on July 11, 2013. Atlas pushes the boundaries of what is possible in the world of robotics. It is not just a robot, it's a symphony of engineering excellence and human-like agility. Stairs, rocky terrain, even uneven ground, nothing is too challenging for this incredible creation. But Atlas is more than just strength, it's got a brain to match. With state-of-the-art sensors and advanced AI, it can understand its surroundings and adapt to its environment with remarkable precision. And what's more, Atlas is a versatile performer. Whether it's lending a helping hand in disaster-stricken areas, assisting in complex construction tasks, or even wowing the crowd with its dance moves, Atlas can do it all. But the most incredible part of this story is that Atlas is just the beginning. It's a glimpse into the future, where robots like Atlas will work hand in hand with humans, making the impossible possible. Talon. Talon is a game-changing creation that has been making waves since its inception. This robot was developed by Kinetic and first emerged onto the scene in 2000. Designed with the primary purpose of remotely handling hazardous materials and explosive ordnance disposal (EOD), Talon has become an indispensable asset for military and security forces. Talon's primary role is to handle and disarm explosive devices. Its nimble and precise movements, controlled remotely by operators, allow it to approach and handle hazardous materials with utmost care. It can be equipped with specialized sensors and tools to detect and handle hazardous materials safely. Talon is remotely operated, allowing an operator to control its movements and actions from a safe distance. Talon's ability to perform tasks that would otherwise put human lives at risk makes it a strategic asset in modern warfare and peacekeeping missions. It can gather real-time intelligence and provide sensational awareness to military personnel, aiding in strategic decision-making. Talon's rugged design allows it to operate in environments where the presence of CBRN threats isn't concerned. I-UGV-5. I-UGV, an acronym for Intelligent Unmanned Ground Vehicle, was developed by South Korean company Dudam Systems. The 5th generation I-UGV-5 is equipped with state-of-the-art sensors and surveillance systems, making it an ideal platform for monitoring areas of interest. Its unmanned nature allows it to operate discreetly, gathering crucial intelligence without exposing human personnel to potential risks. The robotic platform excels in reconnaissance missions, providing real-time data on enemy movements, terrain conditions, and potential threats. Its mobility and autonomy make it a well-suited platform for navigating complex environments. UGV-5's design prioritizes mobility, allowing it to traverse various terrains with ease. Its all-terrain capability ensures that it can operate in diverse environments, from urban landscapes to rugged terrains. The robotic platform can operate autonomously using advanced navigation and AI systems. This autonomy enhances its efficiency in executing predefined tasks or responding to dynamic situations. MAARS. MAARS, which stands for Modular Advanced Armed Robotic System, is a remotely operated robotic platform designed to provide lethal and non-lethal supports to troops in combat zones. MAARS was developed by Kinetic, a British defense technology company. This robot was crafted with the primary purpose of supporting troops in combat zones. Its modular design allows for customizations with various lethal and non-lethal options, making it a versatile robotic platform capable of adapting to dynamic and challenging environments. MAARS provides direct combat support to troops by offering a range of lethal and non-lethal capabilities. It can engage enemy forces, providing cover fire and support. Equipped with advanced sensors and camera systems, MAARS serves as an effective tool for surveillance and reconnaissance. It can gather critical intelligence, enhancing situational awareness for military commanders. PackBoT. PackBoT is a versatile and rugged robotic platform designed for a variety of military and first responder applications. PackBoT was developed by iRobot Corporation, an American robotics company, and was introduced in the early 2000s. Originally designed for explosive ordnance disposal (EOD) tasks, PackBoT has since evolved into a multifunctional robotic system for various missions. PackBoT features a modular and adaptable design, allowing it to perform a wide range of tasks in challenging environments. Its primary purpose is to assist military personnel and first responders in hazardous situations, including explosive device handling, reconnaissance, and surveillance. PackBoT is widely used for EOD missions where it can remotely approach, inspect, and dispose of explosive devices. Its modular design allows for the attachment of specialized tools for safe handling and disposal. Equipped with cameras and sensors, PackBoT can also serve as an effective tool for reconnaissance and surveillance. It can provide real-time situational awareness in areas that may be too dangerous for human operators. PackBoT is remotely operated, providing a safe distance for human operators. SAFFiR. Meet SAFFiR, a groundbreaking two-legged humanoid robot that once spearheaded the exploration of unmanned systems in naval operations. It was built to revolutionize firefighting efforts and inspections on ships. SAFFiR stands for Shipboard Autonomous Firefighting Robots. The Office of Naval Research now leverages the knowledge gained from the original SAFFiR program to propel the development of more advanced robotic prototypes. These newer models emphasize enhanced mobility and autonomous capabilities, crucial for navigating tight spaces and performing diverse functions on naval ships. The prototypes currently in development are Nadia and Draco. The goal is clear. These advanced prototypes are not just for firefighting. In the next year, they will undergo experiments that extend beyond battling blazes, addressing hazard removals, and overall shipboard maintenance. The Office of Naval Research is steering naval robotics towards a future where unmanned systems play a pivotal role in securing and maintaining naval vessels. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.